Stage 5, the puffy white, the ones that have actually reached blossom, stage 6, where you see a lot of the white blossoms. We're seeing some damage on those. What we're doing as we go along today, we're going to take some cuttings of some of the earlier stages, take them back to the office, see if we can force them out, let us see what's inside and see if there's damage in some of those early stages or whether maybe they've been protected by the buds.
So we always talk about, kind of the critical temperatures. Tell us what those are.
Sure. Starting at 27 degrees, you can see damage to the blossoms, perhaps 10% loss on the blossoms. Get down just 3 degrees lower, at 24 degrees, you can see as much as 90% loss on the blossoms. So, we were at 27 degrees a little before midnight last night. 9 hours later, we're still not above that. 2 more nights of this coming. These harsh temperatures could really take a toll.
Yeah, they really could, but thank you so much. I know you guys will be updating everyone a little bit later on with some more information, so good luck. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Our fingers are crossed that the cherry blossoms will be able to withstand these extremely low temperatures, but as you just heard Mike said, and Stormwatch 7 predicting the same, low temperatures tonight and tomorrow night falling into the low 20s. From the Tidal Basin, I'm Eileen Whalen, back inside to you.
Not good.
Not good. They say that magic number is 24.
Yeah.
We're like
very close.
Really close to that.
But, as I understand it from the reporting on this so far, we've not, since 1911, apparently there has never been a season where we haven't had a full bloom. Sometimes been early, sometimes late, but this is the first time we may not see it. But people have to remember that just because the blooms may be damaged, may not get a full bloom, that doesn't mean that the trees are going to be bare all summer, just branches. We'll have all the leaves growing. We'll miss the blossoms until next year.
Okay.
Okay?
All righty. Well, let's try to just get through this forecast.
All right. I wish I had some great weather news, but I really don't. It'll get a little bit warmer over the next few days. Yeah, a little bit. So at this point, we'll take it. Right now, only 23 degrees in Frederick. A live look at the campus camera of St. John Regional Catholic School there. A lot of snow on the ground. Some of it might melt for some sunshine, but not much. I mean, and whatever's around is going to refreeze. I mean, we're locked into a midwinter chill here, only days away from the official beginning of spring. So that's the way it is. See a little warm up here and there. Also got a wind advisory in effect till 6 for the entire area. Winds gusting to 40 miles per hour. That is coming on a day when the air temperatures are going to be, I don't know, something like 22, 25 degrees below average. So the wind chills are low. These are the latest wind gusts we've seen. 41 at Joint Base Andrews, 40 at Reagan National, 39 mile per hour gust at Leesburg. And those gusts will stay up all afternoon. The winds will lay down a bit tonight. I mean, below wind advisory criteria, but still be breezy enough, combining with the cold air, that wind chills once again overnight and tomorrow morning, single digits to low teens. And we've got some snow showers. One band now east of the metro area, headed through Baltimore, down towards BWI and out towards the Bay. A few more along the Pennsylvania-Maryland line, more in the mountains. Again, this is all backlash from the big coastal storm, which still doing its thing well to the northeast. Now, these are the forecast temperatures for tomorrow morning. Air temperatures: 19 Hancock, Berkeley Springs, and Hagerstown, 17 degrees in Frederick, 18 degrees in Ashburn in the morning. And in the metro area, we expect temperatures similar to what we saw this morning. 19 in Poolesville, 18 degrees in Burtonsville, 21 in Upper Marlboro, 24 in Deal, and 22 in Pasadena. So it's going to be widespread cold, and anything that is slushy will freeze solid later tonight. And probably not too much getting slushy with these cold temperatures, but some of that will. And then anything that is melted along roadways or sidewalks will obviously refreeze as well. So our forecast from our futurecast point of view here shows the strong westerly winds continuing through the day tomorrow. A lot of sunshine, so that'll be fine. It'll still be cold, but I think we'll get closer to 40 degrees. Then a little disturbance comes in late Friday. Maybe a few rain showers. Will be warm enough as just rain, and maybe into early Saturday morning a passing shower. But watch the winds finally turn to the southwest, a warmer direction. Should warm us up well into the 50s here on Saturday. So that shows up in our 7-day, a chilly St. Patrick's Day here. Partly cloudy most of the day. Should be fine. Just bundle up. And notice the overnight low. I left too soon. Notice that we're below freezing, below freezing, and then the low temperature Friday night, 41. So that's an improvement there. So over the weekend, we go with a chance of showers, and we get into early next week. Still looking for one of these 10 days. And trust me, Jumi, this will happen. I may not live long enough to see it, but we will see it happen where it's loaded with 70s and 80s.
Is that after the Friday? Like after 45, it just goes up to 70 and then...
Looking out 10 days is a stretch. I don't want to push it anymore, but it gets warmer and it gets colder again. So like I say, trust me, sooner or later we'll get in the 70s or 80s.
I sure hope so, Doug.
Maybe June. I don't know.
I hope
before then. By April, we'll be fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Coming up on ABC 7 News at noon, let the madness begin. We're not talking weather, we're talking basketball. One of our local teams already advancing in the NCAA tournament. Which teams should you stay away from when filling out your brackets? We're breaking it all down next.
Attention homeowners, do you want to replace your heating and cooling system before the summer heat hits? If so, ARS Rescue Rooter has 2 amazing options for you, but only through March. Pay no interest for 60 months with approved credit or get up to a $1,500 instant rebate on that new system. That's right, 0 interest for 60 months or up to $1,500 off. Installation has to be completed in March and our schedule is filling up fast. So call ARS Rescue Rooter today to schedule your complimentary consultation. Call 888-2424-ARS.